Every day there are more and more people starting businesses, but studies show only 78.5% survive their first year as a business owner. In today's video, we're going to discuss 3 things to ask yourself before starting a business. Now, if you are new here and you're wondering, who am I am Tiara, and this is Tiara Talks Finance. I've been a full-time business owner for 5 years, and the 3 things I'm going to tell you today are what I wish someone would have told me before I got started in my businesses. So without further ado, we know why you are here. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The first thing to ask yourself before starting a business is, why are you starting this business? When it comes to starting a business, a lot of people just dive right in without knowing why they are starting. It's easy for people to get influenced by things they see others doing and think, that's the life I want, so I'm going to do what they do as well. That's a big no as a business owner. It's okay to get inspired by what others do, but you never want to compare what you do to what they are doing. People show you what they want you to see online, so you never know what it looks like behind closed doors when they aren't on social media, or what a person had to go through before getting to where they are now. So you may just be seeing the good part but didn't see the experience behind it. So ask yourself why you're starting your business, and it can't be just about the money. There are millions of ways to make money. Even working a job you hate is still making you money. So money can't be the only reason you choose the specific industry you launch. You always want to know why you're doing it, because on the days you want to quit and give up, days you aren't making any money, and the days you just don't feel like it, your why is what you have to think of in order to keep going. So I want you to take some time and really think about why you're starting this business. A few examples that could be your why are things like, you want to help your community become a better place for the upcoming generations. You may have watched your family struggle and you want to be the generational curse breaker of poverty over your family's life. Maybe you see the need for a new youth basketball or youth football team to help get the young men off the streets. These are all reasons you will want to continue on even when you don't see the growth in the beginning days of your business. The second thing to ask yourself before starting a business is, who will you serve in your industry? Again, it can't be about how much money you're going to make. You have to give people what they need in order for them to give you their money. Think about it this way: when you take yourself out of the equation as a business owner, but put yourself in the shoes of a consumer, when you spend your money, why are you spending it? It's because you have a specific problem and someone's business have your solution. This is the same thing you have to think of when starting your own business. Who will you serve? In other words, whose problem will you solve in order to serve their needs? In the past 5 years, I've created multiple businesses, and each one of those businesses came with many great lessons and experiences. And if you don't know, the price of knowledge is far more greater than any amount of money, because if it was all taken from you today, you will have the knowledge to rebuild over and over again. When I got into my first business, I knew nothing about business. I was the first one in my family to just up and quit my job on faith, so I didn't have any coaches or mentors who could help me understand these things. One of the things I learned though was my first business did so well because I was serving my clients very well. They tell me they chose to get service from me not only because I did an amazing job, but because they felt I gave them that one-on-one service they needed. So serving others will always bring the right people to you, but you have to know who and how you will serve them. A few examples of serving someone would be when you go to Starbucks to get your coffee every morning, you're going because you need the caffeine in order to get through a stressful long day at work. When you go to the dentist, you're going because you want to keep your teeth in good condition, or because your tooth is about to drive you crazy enough, you just need to get it taken out. This is all a form of service to you. So in your notebook, list a few ways your business will serve your potential clients and how it will serve them by solving their specific problem. The third thing to ask yourself before starting a business is, what is your plan for your business? A business plan will help you to set goals and keep you on track. When you set your business plan in motion, it's the overall plan for the business. What is it you see your business doing? How do you see others viewing your business? What is it your business will do for others years and years from now? One thing I like to do now is start with the end in mind. When you know your end goal in your business, it's much easier to plan for your yearly goals, monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily goals. One mistake I made as a business owner when I began was going from day to day with no true identity for my business. When you go about your business this way, there's always going to be a new opportunity that comes up, and it will always sound good to you. Let me just say, any opportunity can be good with the right strategy in place. But when you don't have an end goal for your business, you'll find yourself going with the wind, jumping from one thing to the next with no true structure in your business. But when you have your end goal in mind at all times, this will help you stay grounded by working on the things that will bring you to each of your goals individually. So when something comes up, if it doesn't align with your business goal, you will know to turn it down and only work on things that are leading you to accomplish your business goals, which will result into you having a successful business. If this video helped you, let me know by giving me a like on this video and sharing it with someone who's looking to start a successful business. This is Tiara Talks Finance, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.